The following video will go through the step-by-step process of how to add a driver onto MyGeotab.
To begin, you'll want to navigate to the People tab, go to Users and Drivers, and then click on Add on the top of the page. You'll first want to begin by placing an email for the driver. An email is preferred over a username. However, if an email is not available, then a username can be used. Just please ensure that it is unique. Then you want to fill out the first and last name of the driver, and then fill out these fields as well. Then you'll want to scroll down to the Authentication and Security section and click on No for Forced Password Change and put in a password. Scroll further down to the Security Clearance section and click on Drive App User. Then you want to scroll back up and go to the Driver tab and click Yes to indicate that this user is a driver. You'll then be prompted to enter a driver's license number and indicate the state/province this individual is located in. An important note to make about the UI settings, also known as the user interface settings. By default, the UI settings are going to be placed under the information of the administrator of the account. That is the individual who's creating the account. So information such as time zone, for example, is placed currently under America/Toronto. If the driver is located in a different time zone than that of the administrator, then that can be changed right here under the user interface settings. Next, you want to navigate to the HOS settings. For this example, the rule set will be placed under Canada Cycle 1. However, please ensure that you are using the correct rule set for the driver. Further, this information needs to be filled out, and that is to ensure that any future inspection reports go to officers without the failure. Lastly, if we see down here, these tabs can be changed, and these can be changed based on company preference. Once that's all that complete, you want to go to the top and click Save. And as we can see that this driver has been created a user now. To make any edits in the future, you simply would have to click on the individual's name, make any required edits. For example, if the password needs to be changed, you would go down to the Authentication and Security tab, click on Reset Password, input the new password, and scroll back up and click Save. And that's the step for making a new driver on MyGeotab, as well as any necessary edits.